So the reason that I'm making this video is because a Tokyo train ride that should have taken me 15 minutes took me 3 hours. But after that excursion, I became a pro. So if you're a small potato from nowhere like me, listen up. This is one new thing, Tokyo Transit. In this video, I'm going to explain the system to you thoroughly, give you a couple tips, and a small case study. That way, there is absolutely no way that you will get lost for more than 3 hours like I did. First, tickets. The Tokyo Transit is run by 3 different companies. That also means you may need to buy 2 different tickets to get to a destination that you're going. Fortunately, there's a way to bypass all this confusion, make your life so much easier, and even make you feel a little bit local. The Suica card is freaking magical. Suica cards are prepaid cards that cover all the trains. You can also use the Suica card to buy things at 7-Eleven, so that's kind of like a special perk. Get your Suica card at a machine at the airport for 500 yen, and then before you fly away again, you can return for a full refund. Whatever money is also left over on the Suica card, you can put into things like gift cards and Amazon, so it's a good system. Number 2. Which train do I ride? There are apps for the Tokyo Transit, but to be honest, Google Maps works super well, so you can use that. 3. Navigating the station. This is where it gets for real, y'all. Google Maps will give you a train name, a platform number, and a stop number. That's all you need. If we're going from Ueno to Asakusa, we would hop on the Ginza line, stop 16, platform 2. So there's 3 things we can check: the line, the number, and the platform. When you think you've found the train that you need to get onto, make sure you double check the stop number next to the line name. This is one of the reasons I got lost. The reason for this is because each train has a sister line that has the same name but goes the opposite direction. The way that you tell these 2 apart is literally just the stop number next to the name. So double check that and you will be fine. 5. Getting off at the right stop. Remember, you are underground, so do not follow the little dot on Google Maps to decide when you need to get off, okay? It is probably completely incorrect and 5 stops behind where you actually are. A much easier way is to know your stop number. That way, all you have to do is count the stops from where you started to where you're finishing, and then there you are. It says we're gonna get off at stop 19, so that's 16, 17, 18, 19. 3 stops away. Some trains also have screens that you can watch and figure out which stop number you are from there. So those are super great, but they're not all like that. Don't always count on the station name announcement, simply because if you don't speak Japanese, you might miss your stop at Asakusa because you were listening for Asakusa. Number 6, exiting the station. You can make fun of me as much as you want. I really don't care. This was hard for me. I got so flustered the first time. I thought it was stuck in there forever. I kid you not, I was so frustrated. To exit the station, just follow the little green guys. Also, you have to scan the card or give your ticket up when you leave your station as well, not just when you come in. Everyone knows that, Kelsey. No, I didn't know that. Those are my 6 steps to navigating the Tokyo Transit. If you stuck around for all of that, I just want to say that I absolutely love public transportation. I think metros are the miracle of mankind. And also one of my favorite things to experience when I go to big cities. With that, I hope you don't get lost too bad, and I hope you learned one new thing. If I forgot anything or you feel like there's a way easier way, please chuck it in the comments below and teach the rest of us and myself.